Nike introduces the Shox Z, a bold reinvention of its legendary Shox series, fusing classic DNA with a modern, street-ready aesthetic. Standing out with its dark team red, mystic dates and black colorway, the sneaker showcases a wine red base, warm brown overlays, and glossy Shox piston units that highlight its futuristic appeal. Textured woven uppers elevate the design, giving it depth and a touch of luxury that makes it versatile for both nightlife and fashion-forward styling. At its core, the heel's Shox piston technology ensures responsive cushioning, staying true to the series' innovative roots while presenting a sleek, updated form. Priced at $135, the Nike Shox Z represents a stylish blend of nostalgia and progress, though its exact release date remains unannounced. This launch confirms Nike's continued commitment to redefining performance footwear with aesthetics that bridge sport, innovation, and lifestyle.